Welcome to the Department of English, Government Postgraduate College, Attock. These online classes have been started on the instructions of Punjab Higher Education Department, Govt of Punjab, Lahore. The prime purpose of these classes is to help students in continuing their studies and preparation for the final exams. By conducting these classes, the students would benefit from the teaching of their teachers in COVID-19 situation. As you know that all the educational institutions have been closed due to the spread of COVID-19. Hence, online classes are inevitable for the smooth flow of educational activities. That is why the government decided to launch online classes for the betterment of the students. In this regard, we hope and expect that you would pay full attention to these classes and would benefit from them as maximum as possible. We also hope that you would do your best to perform in the exams. For this purpose, our department too started the online classes to help you in preparing yourself for the final exams. I'm Abdul from Department of English. Uh, my job is to teach you grammar, that is the paper B portion of the paper, and we have already started the correction of sentences. This is the question of 10 marks in your final paper, in which incorrect sentences are given and you have to correct those incorrect sentences. This question is of prime importance because it can help you in securing more marks, and these marks are very much pertinent and important because exact 10 marks can be got in this question if only 5 sentences are corrected. So I will be sharing the rules and the principles that can help you in correcting the incorrect sentence, and this would not only help you in securing good marks in your graduation, but these rules would also help you in improving your English in general, because the basic purpose of these lectures is to help you in spotting out the most frequent mistakes committed in the usage of English. By knowing these mistakes, you will be able to express yourself in correct English. Hence, it is hoped and expected of you that you would pay full attention to these rules. Further, you are also advised to make notes of these lectures because these would help you later in your preparation for the final exam as well. Today we would start the test of correction. In the previous lectures, we had discussed the correction rules, and the most important rules were discussed from the examination point of view, uh, and particularly University of Punjab. So from today, we will begin with the test, and that test is among those rules that we had discussed. And now, first of all, I will show you the incorrect sentences. Then you have to correct those sentences, and later on for the solution. you can see the rest part of the lecture. For example, the first sentence in this test is mathematics are an easy subject. So you have to correct this sentence. The wrong sentence, the incorrect sentence is mathematics are an easy subject. And in this you can see, just to help you people, uh, the mistake has been highlighted, so you have to focus only on that point, because at this step we have been practicing in an easy way, so that to enable you to solve these and to correct these sentences easily. So mathematics are an easy subject. R has already been highlighted. So this is just to give you a hint that there is something that you need to correct about R. Later on, we would also move a step ahead, and you would not be given any hint. But at this stage, I'm providing you hints so that you can concentrate and you can recall those rules that you had already studied. Politics are facing multiple challenges in the current era. Again, in this sentence, R has been highlighted. So you have to uh, look at this sentence, and you have to concentrate on R and see that what is wrong with this sentence, particularly because the mistake has been spotted. You can see that the mistake has been spotted there, that there is some problem with R. That's why that you need to discuss this one. And politics are facing multiple challenges in the current era. R is there that needs to be corrected. Then, economics have become an important reality in this age. Again, you can see in this sentence, in the third sentence, economics have become an important reality in this age. So, have has been highlighted, and this is indicating that there is some problem with the use of have. That's what you need to concentrate. Moving further in the test, we come to sentence number 4. The committee is divided on its decision. In this sentence, you can see the two uh, words is and its have been highlighted, indicating that there is some problem in using these words. So what you need is to correct that sentence and to concentrate, and the mistakes have been spotted that there is something wrong with is and its. So this would help you in recalling those rules that you had studied, that what is the problem with the committee and with is and its while using committee. Similarly, the sentence number 5, the jury gave unanimous decision. So in this sentence too, you can see that there's give, and give has been highlighted, and you need to make correction in the verb give. Something is wrong with the use of this give. That's what you need to concentrate on. So this is a sort of the test that is helping you in spotting the mistakes, that would help you in analyzing those mistakes and then correcting those mistakes. This is what is important for this one. So you can see that these are the 5 sentences. You can see here, like in this sentence. Similarly, now we move to the solution of these sentences. Let's come to sentence number 1. Correct sentences are here. That the already incorrect sentences. The previous mistake was mathematics are an easy subject. You know that with the words mathematics is dealt as a singular one. That's why mathematics is an easy subject. This is what we need to concentrate on. Similarly, politics is facing multiple challenges in the current era. So previously, the incorrect sentence was politics are facing, but we also use like politics. It seems to be plural, but actually it's a singular, and it would take singular verb. So politics is facing multiple challenges in the current era. Similarly, the third sentence, economics has become an important reality in this age. So this is what that you need. Economics have the incorrect sentence with economics have become an important reality in this age, but it is incorrect because mathematics, politics, economics, physics, statistics, these are the words that they appear to be plural, but actually they are singular, and they are followed by single verb or helping verb. The next two, one, the committee are divided on their decision. Uh, why? Because committee is not agreeing on its decision. That's why it would be dealt as plural, and with plural we use are and there. So the committee are divided on their decision. The jury gives unanimous decision. Again, it's when it is agreed upon a decision, it is used as a single one. That's why the jury gives unanimous decision. So this was all about today's test. I hope that you might have learned some. Yeah, this would serve in two ways. First, it would help you in revising your rules and also checking whether you are able to understand these rules or not. So this is the test number one. We'll see you tomorrow with the test number two. Uh, uh, Please, you're required to study those rules previously we had discussed in these sessions, revise them, and so that you are able to understand and correct these sentences in an accurate way. Similarly, rule number 67, to make plural of advice and work, pieces of is used. If we need to make the plural of advice or piece, we cannot directly make the plural like advice, advices, work, works. Rather, if we need the plural form, we have to use pieces with that one. That makes the plural form of this one. For example, the first sentence, he gave me many advices, is incorrect sentence because advices cannot be directly made plural. Rather, we have to add pieces of with that one in order to make it plural. So he gave me many pieces of advice is the correct sentence for this one, whereas he gave me many advices, the incorrect structure that we cannot directly add s or es with advice or work in order to make them plural. Similarly, the next rule, she has many works to do. So S has directly been added to works, that is incorrect sentence because we cannot use the plural form of the works or advices. Rather, we have to use the pieces before that one. That makes the correct sentences. So she has many works to do is incorrect sentence, whereas she has many pieces of work to do is the correct sentence with this one. Similarly, the last example, they did many works is incorrect because the plural has been made directly by adding s with that one, which is incorrect sentence. We cannot make, I guess, earlier mentioned the plural of works and p and advice with s. Rather, we have to use the pieces of. That makes the plural form. So they did many works is incorrect sentence, whereas they did many pieces of work is the correct sentence with that one. That's what we need to make for this sentence as well.